So I've had this 10 amp electric Sunjoe leaf blower, and I got it used. It's worked all right, but it's not the most powerful. So I decided to up my game a little bit. I like Dewalt, and I got a bunch of 20 volt batteries, so I got their 20 volt leaf blower. I think the max that this thing puts out is 450 CFM. I got it at a deal around New Year's, and you get 2 batteries, charger, and the leaf blower for 200 bucks, which is a pretty good deal. This is normally 160, and then these batteries with a charger, the 6 amp and a 4 amp, I think that's another 200 bucks if you bought it separately. So getting that package deal works out pretty good. And then I got the little Stubby Nozzle. Let's see. Yeah, Stubby Nozzle Co. with the silicone band in case you bump it into the car. Don't want to scratch it. So that will lock in place instead of this long guy. That'll make it a little easier to dry the vehicle off. So we'll unpackage this and see what we got. Alright, so we've already kind of looked at that. You know what that looks like. Got this battery pack, get these things charged up. So we got a single charger, and it shows if it's charging, charged, if there's a problem. So we'll get this thing started here, get the battery charging. Do the 6 amp first, the big one. Big old thick sucker. So we'll plug that in. Alright, so we'll use my little shirt pick and slice this back. So that's the stock one. Here's the stubby. You can tell the difference. Big difference. This little vortex thing that goes onto the end. Blower. Got the attachment on there. Pretty light without the battery. It's got a little stand where you can rest it on the floor. Kind of neat. So check that out. Got your trigger there, adjustable. And I wonder if that locks it. Yeah, that locks the trigger down so you don't have to hold it. So ergonomically, that's pretty nice. And then you can use this giant monster or the little stubby. Let's see how it looks with the stubby on there. Get my tripod thing set up here. All right. So, let's see here. Not sure exactly how this goes. Let me... Looks like that part, oh, it slides right in there. Got it. Okay, so I'm kind of curious how much this thing weighs. So I got my food scale out here. We'll zero it out. See if we get this thing balanced on there. I'll probably have to do it up and down because it's kind of bulky. Get that thing balanced so it's not jerking around. 5 pounds, 2 ounces, and 3/8. Then we'll swap this out and see what the difference is with the stubby nozzle here. Alright, so it's kind of hard to show, but if you get into there, that unlocks it. You basically have to push this down and that will pop this free. So you've got these little ridges on there that matches up with that. Slide that on there. And look at how that's a nice matching yellow on there. And let's check that out. I mean, that's going to be way shorter here. We got let's say about 15.5. That's not bad. And let's check the weight here. Zero this thing out. Okay, probably not a huge difference because it's all plastic and stuff, but 4 pounds, 7 ounces, and 5/8. So yeah, pretty decent amount. And then let's try it against the Sunjo here. Get her balanced. This one's 4 pounds, 5 ounces. So this is lighter. We don't have a battery pack on this, but this is a lot heavier duty and it's gonna put out a lot more air blowing power. So pretty cool. All right, so I loaded the 4 amp hour battery pack on here just to see what kind of weight that adds. 5 pounds, 10 ounces, and 3/4. So not a ton of weight added. Okay, so let's do a size comparison here. Around the tip of that, and we are at a little bit over 32, close to 33 inches. So way longer with that long tip. You can see it'd be a lot easier maneuvering around the vehicle when you've got that much less length. So we got the 4 amp hour battery with the stubby nozzle. We'll try the 6 amp hour battery first, and then we'll lock it on full power with this and see how long the battery lasts on 4 amp hours. So here we go. That was quite a while.